Let's prepare ourselves for tranquil sleep. Sleep and rest is one of the most important parts of the day. It's vitally important that we get proper sleep and allow our bodies to come into deep rest. When we're in deep rest, our parasympathetic nervous system allows for more deep relaxation and allows the body to heal in all the ways that it needs. It allows your mind, your emotions, your spirit, your body to all rest and integrate as one. So as you lay down in your bed, on your back or on your side, get into a comfortable position where your neck is being supported. You can feel the rest of your body making contact with the mattress. It's important to have a good temperature in your room, not too cold and not too warm. A temperature that you can feel comfortable and relaxed in with a light blanket on you. So bring your attention to your breathing. We're going to make a connection with your entire body, bringing relaxation into each and every part. If at any time you start to drift earlier into sleep, it's okay. Try to focus lightly on this meditation as we bring your system into a tranquility for a restful sleep. We're going to start by bringing your attention into your feet, into your toes. See if you can focus on relaxing all your toes. Start with your big toe. Move your way out towards the little toe. Relaxing the tension, letting the day's worries and busyness float away. With every inhalation and exhalation, letting more of the tension release your body. Release the tension in your feet. Bring your attention to your feet and to your ankles. Now into your lower leg and into your knees. Bring your awareness into this part of your body. Breathe in and out deeply into this area. Letting all the tension go in your knees. Thanking your legs for supporting you. Coming up into the upper thighs and into the hips. Being grateful that your body has been able to support you and to move you throughout your day. Taking deep breaths in and out, letting the tension go away with every exhalation. Bring your attention into your belly, being grateful for all your organs that have been able to support you in your day. Letting all the tension go away, releasing the tension in your stomach, releasing all the stress, breathing in and breathing out, going deeper and deeper into relaxation, feeling your spine and the back of your legs touching the mattress, sinking in deeper and deeper to allow you to get into deep rest. Bring your attention into your chest, filling your chest with every inhalation with bright light. Maybe you put your hand on your chest, on your heart. Make the connection, thanking your body, thanking the universe for everything that you have in your life. Being grateful that you have a warm bed to sleep in. Take a deep breath, relax your hand. Focus your attention on your neck. Relax your neck and your throat. bring your attention into your head, into the top of your head, to your face. Relax each and every muscle. Start to sink in deeper and deeper to allow your worries melt away and be able to transition into a tranquil, deep sleep. Lighten your gaze and your eyes, relax your eyes and your eye sockets. Breathe gently in and out, feeling your entire body in a relaxed state, ready for the journey of the dreamland. Being grateful for all that your body does for you. Allow yourself to slowly drift into a tranquil sleep.